So we are doing one experiment whose name is rapid response. How does this work is, when you see or hear something happen, the information has to travel from your eyes or ears along the nerves to the brain before you can act on what you have seen or heard. A signal has to travel from your brain to the muscles. All of this may happen in just fifth of a second. This is your reaction time. So using this experiment, we are going to measure a reaction time. Give me that, Kushagra. Good one. Excellent. Now hold it. Hold little loose. Hold little loose like here. No, like this. Hold little loose like this. Hold it.
Where? Thumb. Look at.
Wait. Not like that. See, I'm showing you. See, this is how you have to hold it.
Okay.
And little loose. Yeah. असं नाही. Wait, कुशाला. बघ 2 fingers मध्ये. असं. हां. Right. Little loose. Yeah. Little loose here. Ha. Just here. Little loose. Yeah. Just wait. Ha. So. असं. Right. Ha. Right. इकडे पकड. Yes. Correct. With only 2 fingers. असं हे बघ. With only 2 fingers. Like this. ठीक आहे. पकड. खाली पकड. खाली. हां. Right. आता मी ना थोडं लूज सोड. अजून लूज सोड.
लूज केलं.
तू नको पकडू. तू असं लूज सोड. आणि बी रेडी. कुशाग्र बी रेडी. हे बघ तन्मय, तू पकड. वरती पकड. And I'll just be. I'm not holding it, but I'm just holding it loose. And you have to drop that thing. Okay, तू सोड. Wait, आता सोड. बरोबर. थांब तू हे कर ना तन्मय. पकडून ठेव ना. पकड ना. हां ना, तू सोड. See, this is my reaction time. So my brain took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps to react to the situation, and therefore I have a little slow reaction time. Within fifth of a second I am able to hold it, and that's my measurement, how quickly I am able to react.